Okay, so like I'm getting up close and personal with you guys because the hotel rooms are almost all booked. I know that you want to go and you want to meet me in Atlanta because I want to meet you, and Bridget is going to be there and you'll get to meet Bridget. And so I'm telling you, the countdown has started, even though it is not March 30th, excuse me, at 12 o'clock. The hotel rooms are almost full. So you've got to hurry. You've got to buy your lifetime membership at Essential Depot, which after the 30th of this month at 12 o'clock, you can never, ever, ever buy again. It's over. It's done with. They're not going to do it no more. You've got to hurry. You've got to hurry. But today is the 21st of March. And the hotel room is almost booked. All the rooms are almost booked. And because you're buying your lifetime membership, you are getting a Hilton hotel in Atlanta for 80 bucks or cheaper, depending on how many people you're bringing with you. Only one of you has to be a lifetime member. You can never ever be a lifetime member again, and you're gonna get 30% off of every order that you ever make for life from Essential Depot. And you're gonna be the first person. You're gonna be in the first group of people because you're lifetime membership members that get invited to stuff, special fun stuff that Essential Depot does. And we're gonna get to go over to the Soapers Guild, to the convention center, and we're gonna get to see all the exhibits and mingle and enjoy all the funness of that. And it's like a private session because everybody that's there for the Guild big fancy show in Atlanta, soap show, you know, I remember what it is normally, but like I'm just in a, like my brain's fried. I've been working all day and I've been bombed. So anyway, so like the Soap Guild conference that's in Atlanta, they're gonna be in class. Me and you are gonna get to go with Bridget and walk all the way over there. It's just 10-minute walk, and we're gonna get to through like a park, okay? And we're gonna get to mingle together and see the exhibits and enjoy the stuff that we normally wouldn't get to do because we didn't pay for the regular price ticket of the show and we're not there for the show. And then we're gonna get to come back and we're gonna get special hors d'oeuvres and drinks, and we're gonna get to explore the Georgia Aquarium together. And I'm gonna be right there, and I'm gonna get to answer your questions, and we're gonna have so much fun together, and it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna have our drinks and our hors d'oeuvres, and we're gonna tour the whole aquarium together, and then we're gonna have some things going on. And like Essential Depot is giving away money, like certificates for product, just to lifetime members, I think. You know, I had all this stuff wrote down for the other video. I had it so I wouldn't screw it up. But this is just like, the hotels are almost full. All the rooms that he reserved or they reserved is almost full. You have got to hurry if you want to come to Atlanta and enjoy this fun and become a lifetime member and get 30% off and get to meet me and Bridget. Because I want to meet you. So like, let's do this, okay? It's like March 4th, I think, on a Friday or Saturday or something. I don't have my calendar in front of me. It's coming up. What you do is you go to the Essential Depot website, and then I'm gonna put some pictures. Okay, so like you saw where my mouse was, and it said, you know, right there in the gray bar, and then we click in. Okay, so then like, you scroll down and you clicked, don't I say add to cart if you're bringing more than one person, and you've got to be a lifetime member. So like click on that instead. Okay, and so then after that, you saw that little place where it's written in red that adds your lifetime membership to your cart. Okay, and so then you go back up and you pick how many people. Like if you have 4 people, you get to do this whole thing for just $50 a person. You couldn't even put your foot in the Hilton in Atlanta for $50. And we're gonna get to have all this other stuff for fun, for free. We've got to do it. You've got to hurry. You've got to hurry because it's almost over. All the hotel rooms are almost full. And I want my friends to be there. I want to meet you. We're gonna have fun. Okay. Don't make me have to come over there. You get on your computer and you get that lifetime membership while you can, because this is it. You can never get it again. And besides, you can come meet me. But if you can't go to the conference, you can still go get that lifetime membership, and you'll get 30% off of every order you make at Essential Depot for life. And you never ever have to pay your Greener Life Club membership again. And you never know what other special things he's going to do for his lifetime members. You just never know. Essential Depot, they're just going to do fun things for us. You just never know. My friend Susan down there, she might come up with some awesome thing. And she'll decide just to do it for us lifetime members. And you don't want to miss out. You got to hurry. Bye, everybody.